Did you know that combining lime and Vaseline can create something truly incredible? This simple, everyday combination can revolutionize how you care for your skin and more. Let's dive into the first hack. To start, grab a lime. Be sure to remove the seeds because we don't need them for this mixture. Then take a whole spoonful of Vaseline. This will be our base. If you want to make a smaller batch, feel free to adjust the quantities to suit your needs. Next, squeeze the lime to extract a spoonful of fresh juice. Don't have fresh lime? No problem. You can use ready-made lemon juice instead. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Now you're probably wondering, what does this mixture do? The answer will amaze you. You'll be amazed by the results and wonder why you didn't try it sooner. But that's not all. Stay tuned for 2 bonus tips at the end that will leave you even more impressed. In a pan, heat 2 cups of water until it's just slightly hotter than lukewarm. Don't boil it. Place the lime and Vaseline mixture into a heat-safe container. Then immerse it in the warm water. Cover the container and let it sit for 2 to 5 minutes, allowing the mixture to melt to the perfect creamy consistency. Tag a friend who needs to try this trick. Once ready, stir it well. This blend is a game changer for your skin. It deeply moisturizes and creates a protective coating, making it perfect for dry areas like elbows, knees, or even your face. Plus, the lime juice adds a refreshing element that helps rejuvenate and brighten your skin. It's a natural, effective, and affordable solution for everyday skincare. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. These hacks are not only affordable, but also incredibly versatile, making them perfect for everyday use. Now, for the second tip, add 1 tablespoon of Vaseline and approximately 1 tablespoon of toothpaste to a small glass. Mix thoroughly until it forms a smooth paste. Believe it or not, this mixture works wonders for cleaning lenses. Whether it's your glasses, sunglasses, or even watch faces, this DIY cleaner will leave them spotless and crystal clear. You'll be amazed at how effective and budget-friendly this hack is. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Finally, here's the third tip. Mix half a tablespoon of Vaseline with a sprinkle of cinnamon powder. Use a cotton swab to stir it into a smooth blend. This simple yet powerful mixture works as a fantastic skin treatment. Cinnamon's natural properties can help improve skin texture and provide a gentle boost for radiant, healthy-looking skin. Do you have a similar hack at home? Share it in the comments. 3 incredible tips, all using Vaseline in ways you never imagined. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share these tips with your friends. Bye for now.